Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 3rd, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody had a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system moving across the country. And also, we're going to take a look at your local forecast. Also, we're going to take a look at the next 16-day snowfall totals as well. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook to see if there's any severe weather across the board. And also, we're going to take a look at the current watches, warning, and advisory map for your forecast areas. So, alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got a cold front stretching up here from area. You can see the low pressure system up here across portions of southeast Canada, with the cold front trailing all the way down to areas of eastern Kentucky, Tennessee, all the way down to southeastern Texas. That will continue to push on off to the east, bringing shower activity across the Carolina, a little bit of snow up in the areas of Virginia, a little bit of mixed precipitation possible over northern South Carolina, north of I-20, and also in the portions of North Carolina as well, excuse me. Also, we got another storm system here moving into the Baja region of California and also across Mexico. That will move into Texas. We got a little system here moving across Oklahoma, stretching back over toward Wyoming, through the Dakotas, South Canada. We got another big area of atmospheric moisture moving into the northwestern U.S. across Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Montana region as well. That will continue to push on off to the south and east. Alright, let's move on over to your local forecast now. And it should roll out something like this here, and we're going to start with your Wednesday outlook. You can see we got snow flying up here around Lake Superior, also northern Michigan, Wisconsin, also a portion of Minnesota, South Canada, a little bit up here around eastern Maine, western Maine, toward northern New Hampshire, Vermont, western New York State, mixed precipitation portion of Kansas down to Oklahoma, more in Tennessee, to Kentucky, to West Virginia, also northern South Carolina. You can see that's about north of I-20. Stretching into North Carolina and Virginia. You got some freezing rain over eastern North Carolina as well. Shower activity south of I-20 all the way down toward the Florida Keys. Also down into areas of eastern Florida, toward Georgia, Alabama, southeastern Mississippi. And thunderstorms and showers right along the Gulf Coast for Louisiana, to areas of southern Mississippi, Alabama, Florida Panhandle, and a little bit in the Big Bend and the northern Gulf. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright. We're about to roll into your Thursday outlook now, and it should roll out something like this here. Okay, we're still waiting on it to roll out. Here we go. Shower activity down there across central and South Florida toward the Florida Keys, a little bit in the Atlantic coastal waters, and eastern in the extreme western coast of the coastal waters of West Coast Florida. Got some snow up here in portions of areas of western New York State, northwest Pennsylvania, northern Indiana, also northern Ohio, all of Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, up to Wisconsin, northeast Minnesota, northern Minnesota, and also over here towards South Canada. Spotty showers over here in Southern California and a portion of Arizona. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, about to take a look at the current watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. And there's not too much to talk about, but we got a little bit of special weather statements over here in portion of Washington State, Oregon State. Also got some air quality alerts over here in areas of Idaho, also over here in areas of Oregon. Got dense fog over here in southern central California, wind advisory southwestern California. Got one county there with areas of air quality alerts also for you guys here in, what is that? Arizona. Also got frost advisory over portion of the northern portion of Florida. Also we got more special weather statements and winter weather advisories in areas of New York State. Special weather statements also in effect for areas of southern New York State over here toward Connecticut. Also in the portion of DC, Virginia, West Virginia, portion of Kentucky, eastern North Carolina, and Virginia. Even got some more dense fog advisories over here in portion of Mississippi. Also in the portion Arkansas, also in the Tennessee and southern areas of Kentucky. We got smoke craft advisory, gale warning from the Big Bend area of Florida to the Texas coast, Texas Louisiana coast, that is, Southern California, a little bit of and then for Oregon State to Washington State, around the Hawaii Chain Island. High surf warnings. Also, we have some high surf advisories there, flood watches, and also have some small craft advisory around the Hawaii Chain Island. More around the Alaska region, small craft advisory, gale warning, inland, northern areas. We have special weather statement. Central and southern areas, we have a few pockets of winter weather advisory for your local forecast areas in Alaska. Alright, Storm Prediction Center Outlook should roll out something like this here. Only looking at general thunderstorm, no severe weather at this time, just general thunderstorm from New Orleans to Mobile toward Tallahassee and Dalton, Alabama. Could not rule out a severe thunderstorm possible in this area as well. Alright, let's move on to the 16-day snowfall totals, and the heaviest snow is up here across South Canada, straight in through the northeastern U.S. from Maine all the way down toward Virginia, even western North Carolina to Ohio, also portion of West Virginia, then over toward Minnesota, Illinois, back toward Nebraska, then more over here in the western U.S. from Colorado to New Mexico to Utah to Nevada to Arizona. Well, I think I already said Arizona, but anyway, over toward Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, California, also Montana and Wyoming areas as well. Everywhere else like 2 to 4 inches, a little bit of 2 to 4 inches for portion of Missouri, also portion of northern Tennessee, central Tennessee, and also northern South Carolina. You can see a little bit right along the border belt there of the South Carolina North Carolina line, and also got more snow flying over portions of North Carolina. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.